most beautiful hotel in the world.
Mr. Speaker.
It is now. Member of the House of Republican Leadership, Congressman Tom Cole of Oklahoma, also with the senior politics editor for the Daily Beast, Jackie Kucinich. Tom Cole, thank you so much for being with us.
Hey, thanks.
You need to step into the fray, buddy. You're going to run for Speaker?
There are many better choices. There are many
whatever.
better choices.
And that's why you need to step into the fray. You're good.
Look, I think actually I actually think Paul Ryan eventually will get into this thing.
Do you really? Why is that?
I really do. Well, you know, I'm like a reporter. I can't reveal all my sources, but more importantly, I think we've had two guys fall on their swords literally for the good of the conference. And in this case, it's hard not to step up when there's an overwhelming demand. Now, we've got a lot of other good possibilities. I'd be for John Klein if Paul Ryan didn't get in, and I'd certainly like my buddy is Tom Price and Lynn Westmoreland from Georgia. They'd be fine speakers. But I think in the end, it's an extraordinary time, and I think you'll see an extraordinary act of sacrifice by Paul Ryan in leadership. So I think he'll step forward.
Is it possible to pull together the Freedom Caucus and the Main Street Republicans? Is there a speaker that can do that if it's not Paul Ryan?
I think Paul, well, I think it's tougher if it's not Paul. I really do. And that doesn't mean there aren't other people capable of it. There are. But I think he's really unique in the House of Representatives. You have national stature. He's chaired two committees. He's an intellectual heavyweight. He's really driven the thought in the Republican Party. And he's a commanding president. Plus, he's just a great guy. As to some of your comments earlier, Joe, he's a guy in the room that you trust. And I think this conference very much needs somebody like that right now, and I think he'll step up.
Jackie Kucinich is with us and has a question. Jackie?
Hey, Congressman Cole.
Hey, Jackie.
Hey. So, can the next speaker actually come from the establishment wing? Because we've seen Speaker Boehner have a lot of trouble. Kevin McCarthy never even got up to the plate. So, could it end up being someone from the Freedom Caucus who we just haven't seen step up yet?
Well, again, if somebody wants to run, this is certainly now the time to do it. But I think Ryan actually straddles that, that divide in the caucus very well. Look, there's nobody in this conference that doesn't respect Paul Ryan. I don't know of anybody that doesn't personally like him and trust him. But you can just look at the record of achievement in the Budget Committee and now Ways and Means. You can look at him being picked as a House member for Vice President. It's a guy of incredible stature. And so I think, again, people will be more likely to follow somebody like that than any other politician that could possibly emerge. And Paul's got a strong sense of doing the right thing. He knows the right thing to do now is to lead this caucus and put us together. I think he'll do it.
Speaker Cole, as you know, timing matters a lot in politics. If this can't be resolved...
I thought you were my friend.
I'm your friend, but I also know where this is headed. If timing matters a lot and the debt ceiling needs to be raised before there's a new speaker, do you have confidence that John Boehner could negotiate an increase in the debt ceiling?
Absolutely. Look, John Boehner in the 2011 debt ceiling negotiation got the Budget Control Act, which actually really has lowered long-term spending. Our discretionary spending, $150 billion less than when Bush was president. So he's a good negotiator. He'll know what to do. And I suspect it won't come on its own. My guess is that it'll be combined with several other things that, on the one hand, make it more palatable, or on the other hand, folks will just, be willing to fall on a sword in this case to get that done.
Do you emphatically rule out any circumstances under which you would run for Speaker?
I wouldn't rule out anything right now, but I know I'm not the best choice, and I know who the best choice is, and this conference knows who the best choice is, and it's Paul Ryan.
But if the best choice doesn't jump in there, and John Boehner's not acceptable, and we're not being cute here.
John Boehner certainly would be acceptable to me. I think the vast majority of the caucus.
Of course he would. But if he weren't, though, would you consider stepping forward if people asked you to run for Speaker?
Well, I would be supporting probably my friend John Klein. But I know the right thing to do here, and we know the right person, and I know it's a tough and difficult and individual decision for Paul, but I'm just so confident that he will make the right choice.
But if he makes the wrong choice, and if Congressman Klein says thank you, but no thank you, would you do it?
Why would I worry about that?
Because it may happen.
There are plenty of alternatives. I don't think it will.
Bet you $5.
And by the way,
Hey, I want odds.
okay, we'll give them to you off air. Congressman Tom Cole, as always, we love having you with us. Thank you so much. Good luck there. Jackie,
Thanks.
stay with us. And in our next hour, Senator, we're going to be talking to presidential